Okay, Pastor Daron. So far we've done a land animal and we've done a fish that swims in the sea. How about we have a go at something that can fly, like a bird?
Okay, well, let's do a swan.
A swan? Oh, I like swans.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to inflate this white balloon.
Oh, white swan.
A white swan.
Yeah, they've got black swans as well.
They have. This is one of the most beautiful balloons,
Mm.
I think so anyway. So inflate it right up, leaving about 6 to 7 centimetres uninflated for the beak.
Right.
I'm now going to tie it off,
Tie it
burping
off. So you're burping the balloon,
That's
softening
right. Okay,
Tie it
now I'm going to bring the balloon to a circle,
it. Yeah.
leaving 1/3 of the balloon for the neck of the swan and the head.
Right.
And simply squeeze the balloon
Yeah.
at the neck and lock it by tying the knot
Yeah, the Loctite knot.
around it a few
Yeah.
times. So there you have it, a loop and the neck section at the end.
Mm. No, that's good. Doesn't look like a swan though.
Not a swan yet?
No.
Okay, I'm now going to divide this circle into 2 circles.
Okay.
Simply by bringing the middle
Yep.
down
Push it.
to the midpoint,
Yeah.
squeeze it, lock it.
And then lock it.
So now you have some eyes
Yeah. I was going to say you could hold that up to your face.
for an elephant.
Yeah.
So I'm now going to take the smaller bubble, which usually comes out smaller one than a larger one,
Yeah.
and I'm going to push it through,
Push it through that hole there.
wedge it into
Yeah.
the bigger one.
Okay.
And now I'm going to finish off the neck and the head.
Right.
Now, this is where a bit of magic comes in,
Right. Magic.
because I'm now going to
Yeah.
force the air into the uninflated section of the balloon
Okay.
to bring the S effect of the neck of the swan.
Mhm.
So just pull the end down
Yeah.
and hold this section, and holding the end,
Right.
simply squeeze
Squeeze.
and watch it. And there you have your swan. What do you think of that?
That's amazing, Pastor Daron.
Isn't he beautiful?
That's a beautiful swan. You've done a good job. Yeah.
Very simple to make,
Right.
but very effective.
That's really fantastic.